Thank you for joining in, and I have another unboxing video today. This one I'm really excited for. So this is the first time that I've seen a full-on pastel set. I've purchased other pastels before in the past, but this one, like I said, this is a whole different set here. So it does come in this really large box. Everything is wrapped up really well. So inside we have all the tools. And real quick up top here, it says what's included. So we'll start off with the little blending tools here. These I don't have, so I was excited to try those. A couple different palette knives are included. We have the little it's like a little piece of rubber you can put on your fingers to help you blend better. And then underneath we have a nice mat. That's nice that they included this because it helps to prevent your table from getting dirty too. And also so you don't scratch anything. And then there's some measurements there depending on what you're doing. Let's see, we have a nice picture frame. So you can frame one of your pieces when you're done. And then of course the actual oil pastels here, again with the 72 colors. That's a wide variety to choose from. So if you're somebody who loves landscapes or florals, you'll definitely have your bases covered there. And then some, just some white paper. So it is nice that this set included an extra 6 white pastels there, the oil pastels. I go through the white quickly, so definitely appreciate the extras and the little finger covers here. So if you're somebody who didn't want to get your hands dirty, or they just help with blending too. And it's nice how they included some masking tape there if you didn't have any. And if you've never used these before, they're really easy. You just slip it on your finger there. And these have nice little grooves in them where it's not loose. So even if you're someone who has small fingers, they should fit you pretty good there. I've had other ones from the Dollar Tree that worked pretty good too. I think those ones were actually for sewing, but they do work if you've ever seen them. And there's quite a bit in that package. Even if you do get them dirty, you can always wipe them off on a paper towel to clean them up a little bit. So here we have some of the palette knives. There's 3 different ones in here. So first up we have this long pointy one here. So these are for if you wanted to scrape a little piece off of the oil pastel and then put it down on your picture there. You can make it thick. And this one has more of a round shape on it, which is quite interesting. I've never had one like that before. And next up we have some more tools. So blending tools, and each one of the tops is just slightly different. These are really good quality too. One has more of a cone shape for details, and then the other two have like a wider flat top. It's for if you're doing larger areas. They're very easy to clean too, which I will show in a minute. We'll go through all the tools and supplies here, and then I have a quick little tutorial. And again with the white, so 6 extra whites there. I like how thick and creamy these are too. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but I've had other white ones where they're so-so, but these are nice and thick. Just one little swipe and it goes right. They layer really well. Okay, now we're going to jump into the tutorial, see how everything pans out here. I am going to do one of those little matcha treats. Is that like the little matcha rolls? So we're going to use some of the bright green and then the dark green, a bit of that yellow green, kind of like a lime. So a few different greens here. Blend them on through. So you can see that they layer really nice. And then we're going to put a cute little strawberry up top. These are quick and easy to do if you're someone who's brand new to oil pastels, just to get the hang of it. I always thought the desserts are fun. I'm going to test out these blending tools here. So a little bit on the outside, and then wherever you want to clean up those edges. And right here you can see all I did was wipe that tip and it came really clean. So I was pleased with that. The same thing with the oil pastels too. When your tips get a little dirty, just make sure you're cleaning them in between your colors, especially the white. And then here, so you can scrape off a little bit, even just to clean them, or you can press down and get that thick layered look. Or if you made a little mistake, you can use that too to scrape up your color and then put more down, depending on what you're using. So multi-use there, depending on what you're doing. And down here, we're just going to do a little piece of cake. So a couple different pinks and a little bit of red, and then the details with the white. Some of that chunky frosting. The picture frame that was included is 9 by 12, and it has the little hooks on the back, or you can just put it on a bookshelf. So you can do vertical or horizontal with your clips there. And it has the mat inside as well. Overall, I think this is a really great set. I've never even seen an oil pastel set with everything like this included. I definitely recommend it, and the tools are really great quality as well as the pastels. And I'll leave a link down below. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next time.